Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Jamie Despe. Kamusta? And for this vlog, we are going to review another app which focuses on concrete estimate, and this is called Concrete Calculator by Pixelsdo Mobile, and this contains ads because it's absolutely free. Here, as you can see, that it has a 4.6 average ratings and reviews, and kung titignan nyo by analyzing the graph below, ay makikita nyo guys that the ratings are quite good kasi there are a lot of 5 stars. Maraming nagbigay ng 5 stars sa kanya, and sobrang kokonti lang talaga yung nagbigay ng 1 to 3 stars. So, going to open this app, and ganyan guys, yung makikita ninyo on the tab menu, there are 4 tabs that you can choose from, which is the concrete volume, the concrete mix, bricks count, and the steel weight. So here in the concrete volume, if you're going to click that slab, so may choices if you want to estimate the concrete of the footing, the slab, the column, or the steps. For the footing guys, let's click footing. So there are 4 kinds of footing that can be computed yung kanyang concrete mix. So we have this one, this type, another type, and this 4th kind. And for this slab, since we only have one design of slab naman, square or rectangular kind, so yan yung kaya niya makompute. So kung meron kang other shapes of slabs, hindi siya applicable dito sa application na ito. So you're just going to put the width, the height, the quantity. Let's try. If you're going to put width, for example, 20 meters, and the width will be another 20 meters. So this is a box type, guys, para siyang square. And the height will be, what's the typical, 0.1. Since this is in millimeter, not in meter, so I'm just going to put 100. And then quantity, let's say 2. So we have 2 of each kind of slab. And as you can see guys, meron ditong waste, which is 5%. This is the acceptable waste, most commonly used in construction. Lalo kapag mga tendering or may mga bidding ka sa salinan, you're going to ask ilang percent of wastage ba yung accepted ng isang contractor. So we can put at least 5% kasi if more than 5%, that's very big wastage. So, at least 5, let's just leave it as is. But if you wish to put a bigger or lower amount, it's up to you. You can just click that part and there. So, if you want to set the price, ayan, may nakalagay naman dito. I already tried to put the price earlier, which is the 4,500. So, wala naman sinabi kung anong klaseng fiat currency. So, if you are working on other nations, so you can just assume a dollar or a won, Korean won, Japanese won, or here in the Philippines, it's Philippine peso. So, 4,500 in Philippine peso. So, okay. Then, after that, you can just calculate, and there you go, guys. Ayan na siya. So, the total volume is 84 cubic meter with a total cost of 378,000 pesos. And ayan, guys, meron siyang mga ready bags dyan sa baba. You have the 20 kilograms, 25, and the 30. And ika-count ko ilang quantity and the total cost. So, if you want to set the bags there, ayan, pwedeng ganyan, naka 4,500. So, pwede namang wala. So, if you're going to calculate again, so ganyan siya. And you can save your work. You click this save. So, as i-save siya, if you're going to click this, yung save sa taas, ayan, makikita kung ano yung mga na-save mong work or projects. So, if you're going to click back, so, ganyan lang siya. So, sa slab, so, columns, ganun din. So, you can choose a rectangular or circular columns. It depends on the design na anong gusto mo makompute. And then, here are the steps. So, this usually, guys, di ba, yung isa sa medyo matrabahong estimate is yung hagdanan. On this hagdanan, guys, ay makikita nyo that it can only compute one kind of stairs, which is yung solid stairs talaga, not yung parang open yung ilalim niya, but this kind of steps only. So, I wish na magkaroon sana ng mga ibang features itong applications na to, that it can also compute different kinds of stairs, not just this kind of stairs lang. So, I think we can try. Let's say 1 meter. The B is, let's say, 5 meters. Height would be, let's say, 6 meters. the run. So, what is the typical run in millimeter? For the run, mostly it's 255 or 254 millimeters, and for the rise is most likely 197 millimeters. Let's say we're going to build 5 of this kind, and let's calculate. So there, you're going to need 3.41 cubic meter of that kind of volume, concrete volume, with this cost. Okay, now we're going to look onto the other tabulations that are available or provided here in this concrete calculator app. We have the concrete mix. Here in the concrete mix, if you would like to put, let's say, 10 cubic meters, so here you have the choice if you would like to have a general kind of mix, a strong mix, a very strong mix, or customized by yourself. So let's try the strong mix. And if we calculate, then ayan, magpapakita na cement in kilograms and in cubic meters, the sand, the gravel, and also the water in liters, which is very, very nice. Because, di ba, may kasama ng water. Kasi mostly, sa mga nakikita kong applications is hindi na isasama yung water, ilang water ba yung kailangan on the mixture. But this one, naisama na siya. The bricks count, guys. Here, you're going to put the width and the height and the bricks dimensions and the openings, and then you're going to calculate. Let's try. The width would be 10 meters. The height would be 3 meters. The brick dimensions, let's just say the width would be 150, height is 50, for example, and then 25. Openings, let's say you have windows or doors or any type of opening doon sa wall mo. Let's say their area would be 5. What is this add? Ayan, pwede pa lang ganito. Pwedeng ganyan, guys. So, naka-standard. Pero pwede ko namang ilagay na agad yung area niya. Ayan, guys. Nagko-compute na siya, including the cost ng bricks. Another one, guys, is the steel weight. So, you can choose centimeter, millimeter. So, mostly in construction, we're using meters and millimeters. So, I'm going to put the R. R means radius, but as you can see on the diagram, sabi niya is para siyang diameter, yung tinutukoy niyang radius. So, I assume that this R is the diameter. So, I'm going to put, for example, 25. The length would be, let's say, 1,000 millimeter. But I think we can just put meter here. 6 meters. Quantity would be 20. And the kilogram price usually is 35. This is safe na yan, yung kanyang price na ganyan. So, let's calculate. And there, the weight, the total weight, and the total cost, all computed in just one click. So, you can also compute it by weight. So, ayun na siya, guys, diba? So, overall, for this app it's really nice. But, for the stairs, yun lang yung tingin ko na kailangan mas madagdagan ba ng type of stairs. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video with your colleagues, workmates, friends, and everyone. Okay? Thank you very much. God bless.